guys, welcome back to our channel to episode 3. So today our topic is burnouts, which we go through on a daily basis, weekly basis, or a monthly basis. So let's get into it. Question is, what exactly do you feel during a burnout?
You just feel like everything is just falling on you at once, like everything is coming at you and you're just alone facing it, and you don't know how much ever you put in, you know that you're not going to come out of it, or how much ever efforts you put in, it's like अब इससे ज़्यादा मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकती, बट इससे भी कुछ हो नहीं रहा. So yeah, for me it's that.
I guess, yeah, but not like taking up much work. If I am getting burned out from like just college or work or house or something, I just shut down completely. Like it just starts feeling that this all you should just leave everything and just go to some mountains. इधर दूर
Just
पहाड़ियों
like
में
the penguin.
penguin.
Shortly afterwards, we saw him heading straight towards the mountains, some 70 kilometers away.
Just go somewhere far away. I'll just sit at a beach or something. But in my mind, because I cannot do that, because I don't have the time to do that. Why? Because of this damn schedule. What do you feel during a burnout? I feel like a rat who's just continuously running and running and running. And I just lose myself in the chaos. And I hate that feeling when I lose myself. Because then I lose my spark and then I lose the urge to live life because I'm just lost with all the pressure and the workload, and I just hate that feeling, and then I just randomly just crash out. So yeah, I don't like that. Oh yeah, we know the crash outs. We are well aware of the crash outs. They happen on us only.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so we all are very bad at, I guess, submitting things, giving submissions on deadlines. So do deadlines motivate you, or they just put you in a stress or a panic mode?
Depends on which subject we're talking about.
Okay.
I mean, there's a certain someone, a certain
Yeah.
person who puts,
Who puts pressure on us to complete things on time, which I like
yeah,
because it's good,
it's very
disciplined,
proper.
organized way.
It's like deadlines come at one time, so they don't divide deadlines. This has happened to us, I guess, more than one or
Yeah,
two
yeah.
times, that
Yeah.
many subject deadlines just bombarded on us on one day. So you've got submissions, you've got reports, you've got something to
Modules
presents,
and
modules,
everything,
everything.
presentations.
So there's a lot on your plate on one day, and for every person, their subject, I guess, is the important one.
Yeah.
So they're like, focus on our subject, focus on our subject. For us, every subject is supposed to be important, right?
You serious?
So how are we supposed to manage that? Because we're just little girls in this big world. What about you? Academic stress. How
Not
often?
complete.
How often
We
do you
don't
get
submit
academic stress? Yeah, what I do is, if I have a lot on my plate, then I just see which one is important, which one has more value, and I just do that, and the baki ka rest is just disappears. It does not exist in my world. And I know that is bad, but like that's how I just deal with it. I think the biggest problem is that our professors and our teachers of this generation, they just think that we can do everything. We are like Gen Z, and I mean,
take the pressure every time.
no.
Like they just think that we are, like we know how to take the pressure of everything, and we can multitask and complete things because we have so much of energy because of our young, because they think we are young, and then they just presume that
But
yeah,
we
we
don't
can.
have the energy.
Yeah, it's just because of our college timings.
Yeah. I wake up before the sun comes out. I go home after the sun sets. I never see the sun.
Exactly. I'm like we're working more than what sun.
And then the teachers say get vitamin D. How?
From where?
तू कर भी क्या सकता है यार?
हाँ मैं कर क्या सकता हूँ
मैंने है ना फैसला किया है।
करेक्ट फैसला किया। तू कुछ नहीं कर सकता।
मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता। मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता। अब मैं बताता हूँ मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ। मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ यार।
You're not letting us take vitamin D.
And I think that is the major reason why we all go through the burnouts, because like we are so involved in the chaos that we just forget to reconnect with the nature
Yeah.
and to reconnect with ourselves, and that is one of the biggest cause of burnouts.
But I would like to add that for deadlines, now if it's from one of my favorite professors, like there are a few favorite professors that we like because they teach nice. So if it is about them, so even if they give us like a day before or 2 days before, we sort of try to prioritize them and then we try to complete it. So I like where the deadlines are sort of organized. Like in a week you have to give this.
So one, I guess, lab.
Yeah.
So if there's one lab for us, they'll just decide, oh, today you have to submit this,
Yeah, like
without any prior notice,
three things.
without anything, and we're like, but at least inform us that we are supposed to fulfill this commitment.
And at times, if we are in a good mood, we take it as a challenge and we like test ourselves, like if we can do these three things in like just one day. Like we had a time where I was like really motivated by it, but most of the times we just get a little panicky. But throughout these years, we
I
have
remember that when she got very panicky, she went mouth shut,
Yeah,
panicky,
I
like just not talking,
not talking.
non-verbal.
I was literally so scared. But yeah, throughout these years, we have sort of developed this habit of not caring much about those things.
Okay, so another question is, have you ever cried because of college stress?
Yeah,
Weekly breakdowns, weekly होता है.
monthly. Yeah, monthly.
मेरा 3 months में एक बार निकलता है वो, पर वो बहुत पेंट अप होता है तो फिर वो निकल जाता है कभी तो.
Because I feel that it's not just about studies, but then you also like tend to think ki I am just studying or I am just doing studies and doing extracurriculars, but then it's like you have to do more. We tend to think that I am doing less and other people's might get ahead of me in a way and you will be just stuck behind. So there's always this pressure that I feel that I am not doing much. That actually can be one of the factors for a burnout.
Yeah. Okay. So when you get stressed, I guess we three spend a lot of time. If you have watched our before episodes, you would know how much time we spend together. So in general, when you're so stressed or so worked up, do you communicate that with other people or with anyone? Yeah, I do. With my mom, dad, with my friends, with my man, with everyone.
I used to like keep it to myself to a point, but now it's just too much that I just spill over to them, to my parents. I just go and cry. I was like, Mom, I can't. It's just getting too much. And then they actually see it, and then they tell me like, okay, it's okay, come here, chill. Keep that damn phone away for a while. And I do agree. Yeah, it's that damn phone,
Oh yeah.
the cause of
Oh,
everything.
this question. How much stress do you think in your life comes majorly from your phone?
98%.
I guess yeah, most of it. I just close my phone. Even if I'm on my laptop watching something, I'm at peace. Like it's not like the visual stimulation or something. It's just that Instagram or anything, WhatsApp, any social
Instagram.
media. Majorly that app. I do selective consuming from social media and all, so I don't think that affects. Second, if my work mails, nahi, sorry,
Work texts.
text, sorry,
You don't get
mails, not yet, yeah, thank you, I'm not there yet. So work text and everything, वो सब is like mute only, and I like I allot specific time of the day कि अभी से अभी इतना ही, and after that is just me time and I'm not gonna respond to those texts, and all my work like groups जो भी है work groups वो सब mute रहता है, even मेरे class ka group is mute. So I even on Instagram I only see what I want to, and then I don't do the unnecessary consumption. Yeah, I do text a lot, but that was so with my close friends only. So
Oh, nice lightings.
okay, so I have this one story. Like we all were involved in that story. So once we had an exam. Was it finals? It was finals, no?
Yeah, it was fine.
Yeah, it was finals, and it was I guess the last paper, like around towards the last paper.
Yeah, we had practicals later.
Yeah, so it was theory was getting done, and we let's say very much underestimated this particular subject.
It was an easy
The
subject.
entire semester it was smooth, like just it went so chill, and then suddenly the final paper when it came in front of us, everyone just was looking like, huh? What? It was so unexpected. And after that, I remember after that paper, everyone was just quiet. Like no one was talking, no one was like creating a panic that what, how was this paper? Everyone was just so
Difficult
shocked.
subjects were also easier than
Yeah.
what that paper was. Like it
Nobody
expected that. It was bad.
And we
Was
had
surprised.
let's say that we did go through a burnout or stress during that because we stayed up till 2 o'clock in the morning to study for that subject, and after that we all decided we should just go to the beach for just a walk because we just were done with college, the subject, the semester, the year, everything. And we I guess for 2-3 minutes we all were just quiet and just walking on the beach. We ate in a restaurant and then we just kept walking.
Everybody like turns towards nature when it
Yeah.
just gets
That's what I'm
heavy.
saying.
So Shravani and I are in the same class, and Shasvi is not in the class. So
Oh, they have lenient teachers.
yeah,
This is the main difference.
yeah, we have
lenient teachers. You
Exactly.
have agreed on this.
we have just a minute. We have strict teachers as compared to them. Like I don't think so. We disagree, okay?
I don't disagree. They do
Yeah,
have strict teachers.
exactly.
Totally agree.
So we are just so done, like within 3 hours. So what we do is we, in between, like we get the break of half an hour. So I and Shravani, we go for a walk. We just leave our phone, just take our phones, but that phone is also on airplane mode, and we just go for a walk for like 10-15 minutes near our campus, whatever.
We have a campus.
Yeah, whatever campus we have, and then after that we feel very good.
And then there are stages which I think even you guys feel. कि जब you have a lot of things and then the procrastination hits कि यार बाद में करेंगे अभी थोड़ा chill करते. So that thing hits
Like
me.
instead of completing that, you just keep it aside because
Yeah.
there's just so much.
Yeah.
You just get overwhelmed of because of it.
It's just that I thought that I would have left the burnout things that were causing me the social issues of high school that were causing me burnouts would be left behind in high school, but apparently they have not. They are still here. No one seems to get out of that phase. Okay. So, again, the topic that you guys are in committees and all, somewhere. For me, this is, before even saying the question, I'll say this is 100% yes, for sure. Do you feel that your networking in college is just forced? Like, you don't have the energy, but you have to. Like, everyone is just like, oh, networking, network ke liye, karna padega, karna padega. Do you feel that?
Your whole image is based on how many people you know and how many people, like how famous you are, or how many people know you for what you have done, or how many people appreciate you in general, about your personality, about grades, or your social media profile. Everything counts there.
No, but I have observed this in our college. Grades don't matter after a while.
Yeah.
Like if the person has failed many subjects, like multiple subjects or something, but still is like outgoing, happy, chill, fun going, extroverted, they are still considered, oh, he's a fun person to chill with. But sometimes you have to realize that
You're not saying bad about like
No.
having
So
failing
basically-
subjects, but yeah, it is bad. I mean, you can't be failing subjects.
yeah, so I think we should bring back the time where people were judged on the basis of their grades. Are you talking about? No. Is there multiple subjects?
Okay, so basically, last sem, yeah, I'm bringing back a little bit trauma. Last sem we had a subject. I'm not naming the subject. So it said that more than 50% of people fail in that subject every year, and KT to by pakki. So just after giving the paper, it was bad. Okay, the exam was bad. People literally left in 1 hour.
People
Like-
view their question papers in the
Exactly,
dustbin.
and everybody's watching कि भाई KT तो लगनी है ये वो. As soon as we got out of the exam department, there was a group made, a KT group made,
Yeah.
and everybody started randomly adding people. And people asked me like, "Do you wanna? Should I add you?" And I was like, "No way, I am not
manifesting that.
not
I was in
associating,
that group,
not
but
associating
I
with
passed
that.
subject, so
Yeah,
with good marks.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
with good marks.
I'm
Not
happy.
associating with that energy.
Back to the topic of networking. I am a very private person, so it does not really matter to me if anybody knows me or does not know me. And I think there are two types of people in our college, जिनके family connections रहते हैं, और दूसरे जो आके connections बनाते हैं. So I think
हमारा दोनों नहीं है.
You serious?
Yeah, so what I think is sometimes your social profile can also be one of the factors for causing a burnout because in this generation, basically our generation, people before even they know you, they first go and check your profile on Instagram or yeah, just on Instagram. We don't use Facebook. What do you guys think about it?
yeah, there have been instances where people come and when they get to know me, they're like, हमें तो लगा तू वैसे टाइप की रहेगी, लाइक कैसे टाइप की रहेगी, लाइक तेरे इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट से तो ऐसे तो लगती नहीं है. तो मैंने बोला मैं ऐसी तो हूँ ही नहीं, मैं वैसी ही हूँ. तो लाइक they judge you by your profile, and I guess I understand that because nowadays people through social media they are trying to curate and portray their lifestyle. Since our social media is so curated, I think then we have to curate ourselves like that, like our personalities, and we just can't. I don't think we can truly be ourselves then.
But I think that is one good thing. If your Instagram is according to your vibe, if you really put that much effort into it, that you have created it just like how you are in real life, or like the person you want to be, and you're working towards it, then it's a great idea. But if you're just faking it, like putting everything fake just to gain the cool attention or whatever, then it's bad, bro. Don't do it. Just to fit in or whatever.
We had this friend of ours in college who uploaded. Look, I'll tell you. I knew someone who used to fake her lifestyle by faking photos, and she was totally different in real life. And she curated a fake lifestyle on social media.
So the thing is, you get to know it very easily because you spend time with them, and it's of no use. So if you're not just like that in real life, in your day-to-day life, it's just gonna create bad attention and bad social image because people get to know it very quickly.
Fake it till you make it. यहाँ काम नहीं करता. So this is a little controversial or a biased question, and we might have biased opinions. But do you think boys go through more burnouts or girls go through more burnouts, or do they both go equally?
No, it's not equal. But for boys, it's through responsibilities, and for girls, it's through emotional.
आपके विचार? उसको पहले same.
Yeah, same only. Because boys are expected to do things like through societal view. They're expected to do this for parents, for the girlfriends,
For being a marriage material.
for being a marriage material for you.
Yeah.
But then, us girls, we go through cycles every month, and the whole burnout system is arranged and
Yeah, the
made like
hormonal
that.
system is
Yeah.
very messed up for this because let's just say you get caught in a bad deadlines like we talked before during the end phase. What is that phase? Luteal. yeah, during that phase, then you're just done for. I think that men have this like clear mindset कि ये goals achieve करने हैं, ये चीजें ऐसे ऐसे करने हैं, because they think so logically and practically. I'm not saying that girls don't do. I think logically. I think practically. I mean, girls also do, but
But what? There's always a but.
Dhire. But there is girls put emotionally to thoughts. And उसके वजह से ज़्यादा girls को burnouts होते हैं. And men are just like, I mean, have you ever seen a man overthink? True. I mean, they do overthink. I'm not saying they don't overthink. They do overthink.
They do overthink, but they just cut it off after a point.
I generally feel that men are just better at hiding, like concealing that they are going through something, because I guess over here men are taught to not show
Fear of being
emotions,
judged.
just being on their side a little bit. That they have been told that boys don't cry, वगैरह वगैरह. So I guess they have been taught to show that oh नहीं फर्क पड़ता. They do cry.
Yeah.
But
They do cry.
They do cry.
A lot.
But they've been taught that that's why I guess it is. We cannot see it physically in front. I mean, they have this mentality कि चलो man up. I mean, they quickly use that term, no? लड़की क्या बन रहा है, रो क्या रहा है? They use that tone.
Maybe like even if when they are going through a burnout, they don't talk like we talk. You know, like if you're
Yeah, I
going through
guess.
something, we'll go to our girls like and talk about it. I don't think so. Like if they are going through a burnout, they'll go to boys and be like rant about it. कि यार ऐसा चल रहा है, ऐसा चल रहा है. They just go silent and they just
Sit
move on.
silently with their friends. Yeah, I mean, yeah, either that or the time when they choose to be open about their stress, it's while playing FIFA somehow. And then they just randomly say, भाई ऐसा हो रहा है यार, क्या करूं? And his friend will say, गोल मार चल. And the stress is gone. हाँ ठीक है चल हो गया, अरे वाह वाह मैं जीत गया. That's the stress.
They just don't know consoling.
They don't know consoling.
Move towards that topic. अरे चल यार ठीक है हो जाएगा
गया.
ये वो.
And I mean, we girls are a little funny. That is, I have seen this reel. That is their entire coping mechanism. Just ignore and just move on. But this mentality they have, जो होगा सो देखा जाएगा. I wish I had that because I'm a certified professional overthinker.
Yeah, you
We
saw that
know
on
that. But girls are actually, I feel, we also are very good at multitasking. Even if we will cry about it, we will talk about it, we will rant about it. But at the end, women can multitask. That is the
Yeah.
major difference between a man and a woman. That a woman can easily even if it's a little chore or something, but they can do two to three things at once. But it is just not possible for a man to do that. It's one thing, they'll complete that wonderfully, but they'll just complete that in an entire day.
Yeah. Or like in segments, but I don't think so. At the same time, they can like.
Yeah, I think it's all about the mindset they have been built up with. Because us girls, we see our mom doing multiple things at a time. She's multitasking at every time.
By the way, hats off. Shout out to our mom and every woman out there.
Waking
yeah.
up and making three tiffins. No, thank you.
And
Yeah,
then going on a job or
Yeah.
business, and then coming home and act like everything is fine, and you know, even if we are
and
sad,
then
they
hear
come.
us rant about our day
That's
when they've had worse day than us, probably because they are working. Okay, so as we have came to end of our episode, so for concluding this, what is one thing that you do when you are going through stress or burnout and to get over it, basically cope?
I go for walks. At the end of the day, I just go down and walk.
Well, I just sleep it off. New day, it's a new me. I just don't. Everything is in the past after that. Same. I go for a walk. I go to the gym. I hang out with my friends. Talk with them. Yeah, that's just it. Well, do let us know your coping mechanisms for your burnouts in the comment section down or somewhere.
No, in the comment sections only.
Why you don't want personal messages?
No.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for listening to us. Bye.